You breathe out, I breathe in. We're sharing molecules again. Oxygen and hydrogen. But do you know where your atoms have been? Parts of me were once in you. Genghis Khan and Hitler too. Jesus Christ and dinosaurs. Princess Di, Dinah Shore. All the atoms everywhere circle back so we can share. No escaping, yes it's true. Parts of me were once in you. My whole body, smooth and hairy, is really very temporary. Every year a new epidermis. Maybe next year's will be firmer. There's some atom somewhere in Spain I could use back in my brain. They stay a while and then they leave. They only fit what we conceive. All the atoms everywhere circle back so we can share. Like some ever-changing brew, parts of me are now in you. As hard as it might seem to be, parts of you were once a tree, once a fish in the primal soup. Something's dinner, something's poop. 15 billion years ago, the Big Bang was quite a show. All this time and now here we are. But parts of you were once a star. All the atoms everywhere circle back so we can share. No escaping, yes it's true. Parts of me were once in you. All the atoms here on earth get recycled, death to birth. Like some ever-changing